Hey beauties, this is your girl April coming with another video, and this is another luxury haul, and this haul is from the things that I purchased from Louis Vuitton. So if you're interested in seeing what I purchased, definitely stay tuned. Bye beauties. First item that I got here is the Carigami. And these are actually my first purchases ever from Louis Vuitton. So this is how the box opens. This is it right here. So this is the dust bag. And then here is the first item. So you get actually 3 little pouches here. So you have the pink one, which this is the large pouch. Then you get a medium pouch, and inside the medium pouch is the small little pouch here. It's very cute. So let's see in here. That's nothing. Let me get my receipt out. So for the Carigami set, it was $745, which is not bad for 3 products here. So let's take this out. This is what it looks like. And I got this in the monogram print. Let's take a look at the medium size one. And I love this cherry red. This is so pretty. And then here is the smallest, and this looks like a fuchsia pink. So let's see here. These were all made in France. Yep. So that is so. The next item here that I got is in this big box right here, and this is actually the Neverfull. So in here, this is the Neverfull, and this is the dust bag for it. And this is in the monogram print. This is what it looks like. I got it in the cherry red. It also comes with another pouch, which is nice. Let's undo this pouch here. Let's see where this one was made from in this one. Let me see. This one was made in Paris. This is what the inside looks like. Very pretty. I love the cherry red. And let me see the price for this one. This is actually the MM size. This was $1,540. So that was that. I'm really happy for this. I will probably really use this pouch more than I use the bag, because I'm into more smaller bags now, but I did want to purchase the Neverfull more for travel. The last item that I got here came in this, and I actually purchased a perfume, which this smells amazing. So it just comes in this box right here. Oops, let me turn it. So it comes in this box right here. Then in the inside, it came in another little box, and it opens up like this. I actually really love the caps on here. I love this magnetic top. So nice. And then we put my initials on here, ALJ. And this is, oh my God, I can't pronounce this. I can't pronounce this name. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if it was, it's on the box. I don't know if you can see it because I can't pronounce that. I'll work on pronouncing it. But this smells amazing. And this right here, oh, this smells so good. It just smells so fresh, so clean. It has a little musk to it too, but oh, the fresh and cleanness, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Let me see. I can't remember exactly how much it was. I know it's 2 something, but oh my god, this smells amazing, amazing, amazing. Hey beauties, that's it for my Louis Vuitton haul. So definitely don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and put on those push notifications so you won't miss a video from me. Have a good one. Bye beauties.